Hey leaders, hope you're doing amazing. My name is Mark. I'm the systems and automation specialist of our company iBelieve, where we create custom CRM tutorial for our community every Tuesday. Now, for this specific topic, I'm going to show you how you can transform this normal looking, form into this fully branded form so that you can transform all your forms or survey based on your actual branding. Now it's going to involve, using HTML or custom coding, but don't worry, I know it sounds super complicated, but we're going to go ahead and give you the actual code that you can use to, make or transform your form exactly like this. Now I'm going to teach you how to change it as well so that you can incorporate your own colors and branding to your forms. Now, this is the actual HTML code that you're going to use before you go ahead and copy and paste everything. There are two things that you can change so that it looks like your, branding. The first one would be color, and then the other one would be the font style. Now, for the color, all of the, elements or character here that has the name color or you have the number sign, that means that that's just, that's something that you can change, right? For example, the primary color here is 9973D. If you don't know the actual, hex code or color code of your branding, then you can easily go to one of your designs in Canva. Let me show you exactly, and then click an element that you want to use the color, and then from there, for example, this, gold circle, then I'm going to click the color and then hover through the color, and it will show you the actual, number code. So this one, 997835. Now I can go back to the HTML code and then change the primary color there. So that will be 997835. Make sure not to change anything else apart from that. Always include the number sign and don't delete this part as well because that's part of the coding. All right, so that's a primary color. If you want to use, just one color for all of, the actual form, then go ahead and copy this one and then start changing all elements or characters that has, the name color here or the word color. So for example, this one, I want to change that to A35, which is, I already did, for example, let's go back here, checkbox, accent color, that one I can change as well. And even the font color of the checkbox, I can change that, right? Based on your brand. If you want to use two different colors and play around, go ahead, as long as you just change the, font or accent, whatever that has the word color, then that's safe to change. All right. Cool. And then the other one that you can change is the, font style. If you are using a specific font for, your branding, then you can go ahead and change the font style of your form as well. Just find the main label font family, which is this one. So right now it's, default. We're using the default Roboto, but if you have a different, font style, then just use the name of that and then change the word here. Now, bear in mind that some fonts may not work because it's not, available in the Google font family, for example. Then just play around and find the perfect, font style that may work for you. Or you don't even have to change it, right? As long as the color is there, it's going to be recognizable based on your branding. But if you do want to change that, then this one you can change label font family, another one checkbox font family. So all, you know, um, element or part of the code that has the font family word, you know, that's where you can change the font style. Just don't delete this part, the what do you call this? The apostrophe or the open and close parenthesis or something, because that's part of the code. Now, once you're done with all of the edits, just go ahead and copy this one and then go to the actual form that you want to change. And from here, go to standard fields and use HTML, drag it up to the top part of the form, click on this one, and then click on edit script and paste the form code here. And once you click save and then save survey, click on proceed, then you just change your form into a branded one. Now to check the changes, click on integrate survey, click on proceed and go to link and click this, preview button so you can see exactly how it looks like now. So this is the previous one, which is the normal looking, the default design of the form. But if you use the code, then this is how it's going to look like. All right. So you can change the color based on your changes. It's not going to look exactly like this, but the actual design will look like this. So for example, if you change this to blue, then it will look like blue. All right. Hope you learned something today. There are a lot of codes that you can use online. You can find it on Google or YouTube. As long as you change those two things, which is the color and then the font style, and paste the code exactly how I taught you, then you can change the design of your form. All right. If you need more clarity, let us know. Or if you want to learn a specific, custom CRM tutorial, let us know so we can create them for you. Have a great rest of your day and see you soon.